Quick video, man. This thing is hot, boy. Literally hot. Let me take this adapter off, yo. Hold on. Try to see how I can get you guys down in here so y'all can see this jump. One hand, man. That's hard to do. Look at this joint. Look at that. Check this out. Goodness, this joint's a beast. Hold on. All right, it's a little different jump here. See if I can. That's how we doing stuff, baby. Got a little mixture of simple green. I think it might be almost done too. Simple green and cold water. And it's doing a good job. Now I'm taking rinse this joint off. I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. We're gonna unplug it and get the hose over here. All right, we got the first coat of. After cleaning, we got the WD-40 on there, getting a little bit of penetration. And then we got some simple green on here. I'm going to spray this down. Electronics, I try not to use any kind of water or anything like that, but I still want my electronics box to look good. Do this, brush it with the paintbrush, and it'll be good. All right, while that's sudsing off over there, blow this off. All right, guys, here it is, all cleaned up, ready for the next race. Wagner Park, race number 6. This weekend coming up. And you hopefully get to see some more action, man. I just dropped a video not too long ago. I forgot to drop the race 6. I'm sorry, the race 5. Forgot to drop the race 5 mains for the F1 and touring. Why you guys didn't remind me, man? You know, put something in the comments down if I forget to, drop the videos down there for you guys, man. I totally forgot about that, Joe, man. Totally forgot about it. Like I said, I dropped, this will be the 3rd video for race 5. I think that's how I'm gonna do it from here on out. Like a first person for the main, or either the GoPro on my head for the main for forward open class, sorry. And possibly either the GoPro or on the head, or first person for the qualifier for this car racing in the, like I said, once again, open class. And then I usually try and get a bunch of footage for the mains for touring and F1, because I know you guys love those cars, so you don't always want to see my car run or just this race. So I try and leave it up to you guys and give you a little more footage. So if I forget something, man, hit me up in the comments, yo. Let me know. You know what I mean? But almost finished with this. I can't stand a dirty car. I had to clean this up. I was going to leave it dirty until the last race. We only got one more race after this weekend. I was going to leave it dirty, but I can't do it. I'm sorry. So that rain, the last race that I did with this thing, we had rain in the morning. It had this car filthy. I couldn't stand looking at it dirty like that. So got a fresh clean on it. I got to put the radio tray back in here, and this will be ready for Wagner Park. All right, and then once everything's dried off, clean, dried off, all that good stuff, man, get yourself some good bearing oil. Do all your inner and outer bearings, man. Just put a couple drops on them and just turn them joints. Put a couple drops on, turn them joints, front and rear. All right, I even put a couple drops down in here, front and rear. All right, just get something around them bearings so they don't rust out on you. All right, then I never have any problems with washing my cars, man. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit down on here while I'm thinking about it. And then, and turn the wheels, man. Get them bearings covered, just like that. All right. Then, a lot of people don't realize this, but this is next. All these CV joints, these universals down in here, back here, and in the front, you have to lubricate them joints. What I do is I use this right here, some Blue Label PJ1 chain lube. The manual says go ahead and use some chain lube. So what I use the best, PJ1, I use for my air filter, so it's got to be good, and it has been lasting up. I don't see any wear on these CVs. They look really good down in there, and I'll shoot this on the front and rear. Don't need much. Front and rear. Trying to get in here so you guys can see it. Don't need much of this stuff, dude. Don't need much of this stuff, guys. After you spray anything, turn. Turn that wheel, turn them axles. Make sure that gets over everything. Use that center joint. Just like that. Then, just for the sake of things, I take that, I spray a little bit down inside these out-drive cups. Because you really don't want to use anything that'll fling off. Real simple. Then I'll take and I'll put a little something on these gears. That's what I use for my gears. Dry lube with Teflon. Spray that right on the gear, just like that. Then I rotate. Like that. Don't need much of that neither. Just enough to coat them gears. Stop any kind of friction. The mesh is nice and sweet still. Alright. And then don't forget to lube your Pro Bite clutch. And with that I use some copper spray. Alright, real simple guys. Wifey's home. So I'll catch you guys later. Time to do some family stuff. Out. See y'all at Wagner.